Good morning, gentlemen. It's about 12:55 on Sunday afternoon. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're all staying safe. Just a couple quick announcements here to remind you that the presentation for the Generation to Meter project is due by 9 a.m. Monday morning. I'm looking in the Dropbox and not all of the students there have completed, so make sure that you have your presentation in the Dropbox by 9 a.m. Monday morning. Also, I have included the schedule down below this video here on your video screen, so you see the schedule for next week. Do be sure to check that. Weather permitting, weather not next week is not looking that well in the afternoons. You have 40, 50, and 60% chances of rain. So if that does happen and we are not able to go out to the field, we will go ahead and proceed on to ELW 112. We have one more quiz and the final exam for ELW 111. And if weather doesn't permit us to get out in the field tomorrow afternoon or any time in the afternoon next week, we will go ahead and proceed on to ELW 112. Also, Cole Kennedy, if you could go ahead and make contact with Mark Jones tomorrow via email. Don't bother him today on Sunday, and see what the progress is on our climbing tools. We should be getting very close. Okay, gentlemen, that's all I have for now. Be safe out there, drive carefully. And if you have anything you need to contact me about, just go ahead and send me a text on Remind. Thank you. Have a good day.